Do you want to become the next Forex guru? Do you want to start scamming people out of their money? Do you want to buy a Lambo off of selling courses? Then listen up, my friend. I'm about to show you how to fake your profits on MT4 so that you yourself, you can become a Forex guru. Nah, I'm just playing now. I ain't about to teach people how to become scammers on YouTube. What? Come on, man. You must be crazy, fam. I mean, look, this is what we about to do today, okay? I'm about to show y'all how some of these gurus that sell courses fake their profits, okay? Now, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to show y'all how to spot the fake ones from the real ones, okay? At the end of this video, I'm gonna show y'all everything step by step that these niggas be doing, okay? And I don't want nobody getting scammed out their money. So yeah, let's get right into it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all niggas how these niggas do it, y'all. Alright, what's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? I'm in profit right now. You see my profits right here. Boom, boom, boom. You see my profits. These are my first trade, right? You see my profits. Buy my course, you feel me? I do this shit on the regular, guys. Listen, making money with Forex is so easy to buy my course, right? Buy my course. Oh, you know what? Wait, let me show you that this is a real account. Because you know how people be on YouTube. Now I just clicked on it, real account. Oh, as you can see right here, real account. You see real account. Like, guys, this shit is really way too easy, man. Like, I really don't know why people underestimate me, man. I do this shit on the regular, man. Look, I'm in profits right now. You see these profits? I do this for real, man. Buy my course, man. Man, you see these Balenciagas? Nigga, you see my Gucci, my nigga, you see my Gucci? Nigga, I got fucking real diamonds, real gold. Alright, so now the first method how these Forex gurus fake their profits on MT4 is something that I call the screen record edit. I just came up with this name right now on the spot. Alright, I call this the screen record edit. So this is what they do, right? Let me start screen recording my phone, right? This is what they do. So these guys will be on a demo account, right? On a demo account in trades, and they'll be like this how they be, right? Oh, guys, look, right now I'm in a trade, I'm in profit. Whoa, buy my course. Look, today I had a good day. So imagine that I just made 500K on a demo account, right? Oh, I just had a great day. Whoa, buy my course, this, that, and another. And then they'll say some shit like this. Oh, you know what? Wait. Before I forget, guys, let me show that this is a real account, all right? Because you know how people be on YouTube, okay? That's something that they will say, right? Let me show that this is a real account. So what they would do is they would start screen recording their phone, their screen. Then they would turn their phone around, go to settings, and it will be a demo account. Then they'll go to their real account, go to settings real quick, and this is the part that they do hella quick, guys. They do this shit hella quick. And then they'll show you, they'll turn their phone away, they'll turn their phone around and show you their real account name. Look, y'all see this is a real account? Man, I'm a real trader, man. Buy my course, man. Then they'll turn their phone around again, and then they'll keep talking, man, I do this shit for real, man. Man. Buy my course, man. Buy my course. Oh, wait, hold on. Buy my course, man. Look, now I'm in profits right now, guys. I'm in profits right now. But the part of where they go from their real to their demo and from their demo to their real, that's the part that they edit out. And when they edit that part out, that's when they turn when they turn that screen around, right? You don't know what they're doing actually, right? They'll just talk you to the camera, and then they'll just edit their own screen. So guys, this method is what fake Forex gurus are using nowadays and are going to start using too, guys, okay? Because back in the days, the old ways, right? They used to modify their results on a hacked MT4 platform, right? But now you can see the fake now you can spot a fake MT4 platform from the real MT4 platform. And this is why they use this method now, right, guys? I've seen a guy that was doing a live trading video. He was just making a live trading video. He used this method, and I was like, damn, how the fuck people don't realize this motherfucker is editing his shit? Like, you feel me? Like, how the fuck do people not realize? And I am sure that there's going to be new gurus coming in the game doing this bullshit, okay? This is why I'm just letting y'all guys know right off the back, alright? Like, if motherfuckers are showing you real account, turning it around, and they're showing you real account, this, that, and other, guys, just know that this shit is fake, okay? Just know that that shit is fake, okay? But in part 2, I'm gonna show you guys how to modify your fucking MT4 and how to spot a fake MT4 platform from a real MT4 platform, okay, guys? you got a lot of motherfuckers that still doing that shit. So I'm gonna show y'all how to spot motherfuckers that do that shit, okay? So without further ado, y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2. I'm out. Peace.